The Kangpokpi District Administration's lightning-fast response breathed life back into heavy vehicle traffic along the Asian Highway within just 24 hours of a devastating bomb blast at the Saparmaina Bridge on April 24, rescuing countless essential commodities-laden trucks from perilous standstills. The District Magistrate DC Kangpokpi Mahesh Chaudhary had enacted a crucial measure by suspending all types of heavy vehicular traffic between Saparmaina and Kobrulekha on National Highway 2 with an aim to preempt any potential hazards and prioritizing the safety of commuters and the general public. Only unloaded light vehicles and those with lighter passenger loads were granted passage under stringent regulations until the diversion route was completed. With SP Kangpokpi Manoj Prabhakar at the helm, the District Police executed flawless traffic management from Saparmaina to Kobrulekha on the highway. Simultaneously, Subdivisional Magistrate Saitu Kamfazol Pautinse Kipsen also kept a close watch as the NHIDCL team diligently restored a diversion route. By 4 p.m. this afternoon, heavy vehicle traffic was back on track, all thanks to the tireless collaboration between the District Administration, District Police and the NHIDCL team. Their swift completion of 2 diversion routes, one near the bridge and another along the riverside, made it possible. Following the resumption of heavy vehicle traffic, a fleet of trucks loaded with essential goods stranded along the highway near Hengbong village and the neighboring Senapati district gradually started their onward journey.